my beautiful eye candy family. I am your one and your only lady of lenses. I am excited to come with an unboxing for you today. Now, this was supposed to be a birthday unboxing because I was supposed to wear these frames for my birthday, but that didn't happen. So that's why I'm coming through with the red, see, I'm already giving it away. I'm coming through with the green frames because these are the frames that I actually wore for my birthday. I was super excited. It's a real nice summer feel, and as we all know, it is hot. You know, I'm in the South. It's hot. It's hot, hot, hot. So these were very fitting for my birthday, which I did nothing, just chilled out, enjoyed myself, and enjoyed my family. So with all of that out the way, we have an unboxing that was supposed to be birthday frames, and I got them specifically from Vooglam because I really wanted to order these pair a long time ago. I seen them. I'm gonna open them while we do a little conversation time. Hope y'all don't mind. But I really wanted to order these a long time ago when I first seen them on a different website, and I was just like, I wasn't feeling the prices because y'all know how I get down with the prices for my frames. So what I ended up doing, I saw them on Vooglam, and it was a on sale. And then not only were they on sale, the cool thing was I had like some points so I could use water, so it made it go further down, whatever. But this is the packaging that it comes in right here. We have a nice little bag, and I'm excited about my packaging this time because I did the weirdest thing. I threw away all of my they all come wrapped. Each frames come wrapped in these little orange things, like the towelettes to clean your frames with, and I threw away like so much of those, and I try to keep them in little places around the house. But I don't know if my family start throwing them away or what, but I'm like, I can't find any, and I like to keep some in the car and everything, so I'm excited just to get those. These are amazing. Okay, let me take the little plastic thing. Oh, I like that they only had plastic around the frame. Let me show you the script. It was just like this script of plastic around the lenses, the glass part. Look at that. These are so me. Okay, let's put them on. And as y'all know, I like the bigger frame. So when I saw that, oh man, these are cute. These are definitely what I consider. As you can see, I got my nails done red because they were supposed to match the frames for my birthday, but did not happen. But anyways, these are definitely statement pieces. When I wear these out, I know people are going to say, hey, I like your frames. Where do you get those from? Different things like that, which is okay with me. I'm, one of those people. I don't mind talking to people. But these are definitely cute. I like that they are fitting for my face. I think they fit really well. Honestly, I don't know. I like them. And usually what's so crazy is I don't usually like glasses that kind of show my eyebrow a lot, because I'm more in a thick brows family, and I kind of like that. I don't like to really get them really thin, or I don't do makeup or any of that thing. So it's kind of like just I keep them a little cleaned up, but just they're naturally just that way. And usually I get frames that cover my eyebrows, but these don't, and these are awesome. I think these with the right earrings, I think these would be very, very fun in the summertime. I mean, these are cute. I may have to wear this out. So these are the frames. I will try to put the name on the screen of what they're called. I think the sale for these honestly was probably like $19.19, and I got the basic build of them. I didn't get any special things on them, so it wasn't really bad. Like I said, I had like a $7 off points thing, and if you go to their website Vooglam, you will see that they do a point system when you order your frames, and I'll actually put that information below too, and I'll put my code below that shows you how much no, not how much, I'm sorry. I'm gonna put my code below, and it's almost like when you purchase, I'll get some points that my points can go towards my thing. But I'm no way affiliated with this company. I just really love their frames, and I love that I can build my own prescription glasses. These are prescription glasses. I can build them for such a small price, and as we know, you want to try to find a good deal, and Vooglam always have a deal. They have great deals. And if you're a person that just want the basics, you switch them out as much as I do, check them out. Until next time, I am your one and your only Lady of Lenses, Lady Simone. Come back and see me.